and Mike, welcome
Hello,
to be
Paul.
here. This is an amazing story, and I think Cara is going to be an inspiration for a lot of other people. And let's start with Marianne. How did Cara start Tai Chi?
When we moved to Queensland, I was looking for things for her to do, and I went around to the local community centre to see what activities they had on, and there was a Tai Chi class on. So there's Tai Chi and line dancing, and so I signed her up for both, and yeah, she just loved getting away from mum. And she just found a bunch of really accepting grannies in the group, and that's where it all started.
Cara, why did you choose Tai Chi?
Helps keep calm.
That's great. And you stick with Tai Chi for a long time. Why did you stay for so long?
Help me control my disabilities.
That's great.
Well, it's something that she's enjoyed and a passion, and you can see the progress with the coordination, routines, all that type of stuff.
Cara and one of the ladies, Noreta, did interview us to see whether or not we knew our stuff and to see whether we were suitable for the group. In the 12 years that we've been working with Cara, we've seen her and your ambitions change a lot from just learning form and understanding how to help control her own motion and body to realising about 4 years ago, I suppose, or 5 years ago, you know, maybe you'd like to share this with people that are also struggling and have barriers to working with us one-on-one, as well as all of the classes that you come to, and I think you do about 3 a week at the moment, and now we have been doing some one-on-one work to work on developing skills or finding ways to overcome the non-verbal component that Cara has, is experiencing with her challenges, and looking at how we can help her become safe and effective as an instructor. So this is now, from 17 years ago to 12 years ago to about 4 years ago to now, it's been a very strong progression towards helping Cara develop a skill set that she can then take to share with other like-minded people or people that are also struggling, and help them understand challenges shouldn't be barriers. With this week-long workshop, Cara's one step closer to eventually becoming an instructor in her own right.
Why did you want to teach?
To show people with disabilities they might like to try Tai Chi.
That's great. And that is amazing what you have done and wanted to do. That's really important to have that intention to try to help people. Just like all of us, that's what we want to do, to have a positive impact to people's life.
And it's a whole village, really, isn't it? Like, we always talk about the Tai Chi family, but really we've been able to be very fortunate to be part of like a whole community that's behind not just supporting Cara only, but supporting everybody that to empower them, as our institute really believes in, that we're empowering people to take charge of their own health and really start to look at ways of sharing that with other people. So it is a village to make it all work. So that's,
Yeah.
I'm really very proud of Cara and all of the hard work that she puts in.
That's great.
But she's got more people in her family from coming down here now.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
People talk, we come in the morning, oh, hello, Cara, they all know who she is now.
Yeah.
I just want to say thank you to Paul and all the other instructors down here for accepting Cara into the week-long event, and there's just so much happening. There's all these rooms, and every time I look, there's a different style of Tai Chi being practiced. And
So with Cara's ambition to share the benefits that she has felt over the years and gained from Tai Chi. She wants to share that with other people that are having challenges and are putting up barriers, to break that down a little bit and to teach, eventually hope to teach. And some of the communication methods that Cara is using now is Auslan Sign Language. And, you know, she's starting to learn to point, and, you know, when we talk about moving to their left or right, you know, she will point to those directions, or soft knees or parallel feet. So Cara does use a mixture of communication techniques, gestures, Auslan, and also verbalising, particularly when she's doing the stepwise progressive teaching method. You've become very good at indicating part 1, part 2, or follow me, and or watch me, you know, all of those things, and even show me. So by using all of those different skills at once, she is very able to very clearly communicate what it is that she's expecting or wanting of individual participants. And Cara does practice that within our classes as a co-facilitator for programs that we're running for people with challenges and disabilities. So we're looking forward to a whole year more of that.
I understand you have fundings from the Queensland government.
Yeah. So there is a non-for-profit association, a Tai Chi for Health Association Queensland Incorporated, that has received funding this year to run 3 classes per week for 40 weeks, specifically targeting people with disabilities and challenges, and we are utilising the Tai Chi for Arthritis program as the base, and Cara will be co-presenting in every one of those classes and demonstrating firsthand how people can overcome any sort of challenges that they may perceive. Apart from being instructors, we also actively look for funding opportunities, and we were very lucky that the Queensland government has funded a year-long project, which has been, and we hope will be, a very successful outcome.
Fantastic. Well, I think this is such an incredibly rare and unique project where great mother and very brave and determined Cara, and incredible instructors Denise and Mike, and of course government helps. So this combination has produced, I think, miracles in great way to empower people.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.